Hello, my name is Tara Tiedemann. I'm the owner and founder of Viva Adventures. I started the company in 2012 right after my service with the U.S. Peace Corps in Guatemala. We've been successfully running university retreats down here in Central America since 2014, and we worked with universities all across the U.S. Each trip is custom created to match the unique themes of each university class. Past examples include health and wellness, Spanish immersion, and adventure. Since 2015, Viva Adventures has been focusing on blue zones, areas in the world studied for having exceptional health and longevity. We work primarily in Latin America and are excited to be expanding into Europe as well for blue zone trips and more. We work with small groups in order to have sustainable and positive impact on host communities and provide an intimate, authentic experience for students. We have a fully bilingual staff with wilderness first responder certifications and years of experience in hospitality and tourism. We're very excited to lead your next study abroad trip.